Welcome back there. This is Barry from Riotouch. Today shows some latest on the UMark. When we click here, they'll pump out some functionalities. First about pen tours. Here in the pen tours, we can doing the annotate like this, and you can simply understand which is the annotate mode. And then by here, we can choose more colors and customize the preference you like something like pink. Even more powerful things like adjust the thickness from here, and we can also doing the clean it by here. If we're trying to, this is plus A and plus B. I choose to undo it and redo it. Then we can select it. Select means we can keep rolling, like we can browse a page, like I can access to the Google and the Chrome. This is our Coursewell management, the plan for the cloud, DMS cloud system. And right in here, I'm doing the annotate. I circle it again. And after that, I select it. I can keep rolling and go to another pages. So this is about select. Then finally, after we doing all things, we can continue. Choose pen, be back from the annotate mode. We can further save it or save to the local files. And finally, we can share it with the QR code. They will pump out a code, and you can share the validity date from 3 days and 7 days. Let's make it to 7 days. And now, if I scan the code, I will get this screenshot and this file. Okay. I just get these files from my cell phones by scanning the QR code pump out from the smartboard. And you can also save to the local storage and check, read the U file. So how to access the newest version of the UMark? Here in the Apple Store, we're checking UMark.